Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can crop images and photos using the Adobe Express Photos photo editor in 2026. So let us guide you through this, guys. So you can do this either via the Adobe Express Photos application installed on your device or via the web application of Adobe Express. If you do it with the web application, make sure that you're logged into your Adobe account, and here on Adobe Express use that button to upload the photo or image. Now I'm going to use the web application because, as you can see, the desktop application is not in English, and unfortunately I don't know how to change the language settings. There is no such settings here, unfortunately. So let us head back to the web application. So once your image has been uploaded, or your photo, you'll be redirected to that editor here. And what you want to do, guys, is click into crop here at the top. After that, you will see these cropping variations to the left, like freeform, original, square, story. You can go with one of these, or use a custom cropping by clicking and holding your left mouse into one of these corners and adjust the cropping. You may release your left mouse and use the other corners as well to highlight the area you would like to cut out or crop. Click into done in the bottom left and see the results. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.